So today we're going to work on the cadenza of the Haydn Concerto. It's a cadenza. We still need to have rhythmic structures. There's a lot of triplets, so now we're going to play in time first before we play more rhapsodically. Okay, so. Make sure you practice, all the fingers have to keep it down. So keep all the fingers down. Now I will play more like a real cadenza. We need to play more rhythmic again. These 16th notes I would prefer to sound a little heavier, so meaning you can feel more like an 8th notes rather than 16th. Particularly, you have to lead into those chords. Okay, so now I'm going to play a little bit more free. Try to vibrate a little bit on the long fermata note. Now it comes to the scale. So this section has a lot of double stops. What I want you to do is not to play those single notes, just play the outline of those double stops. So let's try that way. The melody which just lands on the double stops. Now I'm going to incorporate the single notes to combine with the double stops. Again, the triplets should have some kind of a rhythmic flow. Okay. Now we're going to talk about the last 3/8 notes. Practice separate bow. Particularly the second double stop, the 6th, it's a C and A. Make sure you have plenty of space in between those two notes. It should be stretched. So let me do one more time with the bowing. I would suggest to use 1 and 2 for the trill.